Right, if you're thinking of having a go at some turning work, this would be a great opportunity for you, because this machine is actually for sale. It's a Nakamura TW20. It is a beast of a machine and still going strong, holding tolerances, accurate all day long. Let's start at one end. You've got the bar feed there, 3 meters it will take, and well, magazine feed, 65mm bar, so it's going to take some big bar, let you do some big and intricate parts. And inside the envelope here, well, before we get to the envelope, these doors automatic, nice little touch, you don't get that very often. Then you've got twin spindle, twin turret. Now you've got the full C axis there, so you can get some really intricate parts. And on the turrets, 12 stations, driven tooling, and really, really powerful. You can take some big chunks of metal. Then at the other end, well, before we get to the other end, parts conveyor there, nice little touch. And at the other end, as you'd expect, chip swarf conveyor. So the whole package is absolutely fantastic. But you're thinking, why would I want something like this? Well, it's because if you get the right sort of job, I think you could realistically make 10,000 plus a month on this machine. And examples of work you can do on it, nice little parts here. So this one, stainless 303, so it's a big chunk, well, big heavy chunk of metal. And there you go, tapered, radiuses, so it's a nice little part and bored out in the middle there. So that's one. But this one, even more intricate, so look at that. So you've got the milled flats there on the sides, then a load of material removal, and look inside there, threaded, slotted, grooved, cracking piece of work there, it really is. That's done on this Nakamura TW20. So if you fancy a little go at this, get in contact with the guys at LMS Precision.